Sensibly Frugal Living. We've had a busy day. I've worked right up until school pickup, then I had to rush to meet my daughter at a hair salon so she could get her hair cut. Then we had to rush to Tesco so she could get herself a round brush to style her hair. I don't know. So I'm doing something that I can just throw together tonight, an easy meal, and I wanted to show you it because I'm using cream of chicken in a pasta bake. In a tuna pasta bake, and it's super simple, super easy, and perfect for when you've just had enough and you just need a quick but filling tea. So it's pasta, cheese, cream of chicken, tuna. That's it. Job's a good one. So that's the pasta going. This is going to be my casserole dish. So what we are going to do is get the tuna in there, get the cream of chicken in there, and I'm going to put a little bit of cheese in it as well. I love that this is not only a quick meal but a cheap meal, a budget meal, and we need that. The price of groceries seem to be skyrocketing all the more. So with the pasta, the tuna and the soup, that would be £2.56. And I'd say I used about 50p worth of the cheese that I already had. So in total that's £3.06 for the entire meal. It fed 4 people. And it filled bellies. It was quite carb heavy, but it filled bellies, and that's what I wanted, and for £3.06. So this is what it looks like, and what I'm going to do is just grab my tin, and I'm going to get a little bit of the pasta water, maybe a little touch more, there we go, just to make it a little bit thinner. There we go. So just waiting for the pasta to be kind of almost cooked, and then I'm going to drain it and pop it in here. So that's my pasta drained, and I'm literally just going to plop it in there, and I've actually got a bit of water in there, so if I need it I'll add that in as well. And you just want to coat everything in your mix. I definitely need that water. There we go. Coat everything in your mix. There we go, everything is coated and it smells yummy. And now all I'm going to do is top it with my cheese. So you can add more cheese to it if you want to, but I'm not going to because that just puts the price up of the meal, doesn't it? There we go. And now I'm going to get this in the oven, and it's going to go in there for 20 to 25 minutes. So you can add vegetables to this, but my kids won't eat it if I add vegetables to it, but vegetables are better on the side. So you could put peas in it, you can put green beans in it, broccoli in it, whatever you've got. And there we go, that's 20 minutes in the oven, and I'm about to drain my green beans. I'll get this plated up. And that's our meal on this busy evening. Stay tuned and I'll bring you another one. Another busy day and another super simple tea. We're going to have a quick and easy beef stroganoff. I've got diced beef, you can use any beef to chop it up, mushrooms and a cream of mushroom soup. I've also got, let me just grab it, garlic granules, but you don't have to add that, that's just optional, and we're going to be serving this with rice. So I'm going to get the beef frying off. I put a little bit of oil in the pan. I've cut the mushrooms into quarters, so if, like me, you've got a child who won't eat the mushrooms, they're easier to get out. If you cook it all together, they're easier to pick out when they're a bit bigger, and it also bulks it out a bit more. I've started my beef off, and I'm actually just going to put the garlic granules in now. I'm going to fry this off a little bit, and then I'm going to get the mushrooms in. I want it browned, really, before I get the mushrooms in. That's my mushrooms in. I'm going to leave them a few minutes, and then we're going to add in the cream of mushroom soup and a little bit of water. That's the cream of mushroom in. I'm going to give that a bit of a mix around, and you want to fill the can with some hot water. And we're going to add this in as well, just to loosen up. Just don't pour it all in one go, just make sure you do it slowly, get it to the right consistency for you. Now I'm just going to let this simmer till everything is cooked through, and we will serve it over rice. So I've just popped the lid on mine, but that is the hard bit done really. You can serve this with a bit of mashed potato or a bit of rice, that's up to you. We're going to do it with rice. I've got some instant like microwave rice in the cupboard, so we're going to be using that up. And there we have it, a super simple beef and mushroom stroganoff using cream of mushroom soup and some rice. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.